Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing something that's both stylish and practical, or so they claim. It's the STORITE card holder. Let's dive in and see what we've got. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First impressions. The card holder has a really nice weight to it. It's made of high-quality artificial leather, and the stitching looks impeccable. You can tell a lot of care went into crafting this. Yes, made in China, the land of many surprises. Fingers crossed it doesn't fall apart in a week. The artificial leather has a smooth, polished finish. It's elegant without being too flashy. But hold on, let's not judge a book by its cover. Now let's check out the interior. As you can see, there are a whopping 9 card slots. Let's test it out by inserting some cards. They fit snugly, and are easy to slide in and out. No worries about your cards falling out accidentally. And look at this, there are also 2 cash compartments. These are decent for holding a few bills or receipts. Just a heads up, though, this isn't meant to keep your life savings. If you're trying to stash a wad of cash in here, you might want to consider a vault instead. Seriously though, stuff a bit of cash in here, and it bulges like it's on a junk food diet. But let's be real, you're not fitting much else. Add a bit of cash, and suddenly you've got a mini pillow in your pocket. Closing it up. Now, if you're thinking of using this as a full-on wallet, a kind of jug-ad solution, let me stop you right there. While it's fantastic for organizing your cards and a few bills, it's not ideal for carrying a ton of cash or all the random receipts we tend to accumulate. It's a card holder, not a magician's hat. Overall, the STORITE card holder impresses with its quality and design. It's a great blend of functionality and style, but with some limitations. If you're looking for a reliable and classy way to organize your cards, this might just be the perfect choice for you. But if you need a bit more space for cash or miscellaneous items, you might want to keep looking. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and unboxings. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to see next. Until next time, take care and stay organized.